Okay, so hello guys, today we're gonna see how we can create a cool thing using mask tool. But before starting this video, I want a small frame of side is please share this video as much as you can. So yeah, without time, let's get jump into it. Okay, so basically you can see that I have two clips. Firstly, I'm gonna give you the one cool transition you can use in your own videos also as well as in your client videos also if you are creating some kind of videos. So firstly, I have here my sitting walking video, and then I have one more video in which I am just walking normally. You can see that I'm walking here. Okay, so now we are going to select our first clip by pressing here. Okay, so and we just want only clip, not audio, so we are just going to drag and drop this clip. Okay, and you say that okay, change sequence setting. Okay, so now you can see that okay, here is our cool mask thing. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this video above and the working video here. You can see that okay, I'm working here. I'm going to put this clip below the first layer. Okay, now I'm just going to the mask in this part and going to create some cool magic stuff. So starting off with this first gap, select this span tool. Make sure to select the span tool. Okay, get a few frames forward, something like this. Okay, now we have to give the cool and proper perfect outline. So as you can see here, okay, now we are going to do as an invert, so you can see this cool stuff. Okay, make sure to check the invert. So just click on the mask path also, sometimes feather also if in case we need. So I'm just gonna on the feathers toggle animation also. I'm gonna on the feather animation also. Move one frame forward, something like this, and including it, making it something like this. Okay, just like this. If you see this video, then you can see that this is one problem is coming on because mask is completely there. Obviously there is, so we have to see that okay, from this part our mask started animating the stuff. Okay, from this thing, so we're gonna press alt and duplicate the video from upside, then press ctrl k to cut the video, delete the section that we won't need, and select this and delete the mask from this section. So the problem of that cut thing is gonna be solved. And if you play this video, it goes something like this. So you can see that how smooth this transition is and it's looking so cool. So you can done this thing. Okay, and this is the same case you can do in png also, some random stuff. Okay, so this is the background. Okay, and this is the shoe image in which you're gonna do the transition. Okay, I'm gonna rotate it, make it long till they feel the layer, and I'm just gonna do this rotation animation and something, like moving like this, and the man appears here. You can do something like this. Okay, so you know just I'm giving you an example. So maybe if in case you are not getting any this face videos, you are editing faceless videos, so in faceless videos you can also create these cool transitions and you can impress your clients also. This is a very easiest way you can do some cool things and boost up your edit. The second thing which I'm going to show you is dragging down the paper video, change sequence setting. Of course we want to change sequence setting, putting this video, like sorry, putting this image one here. Okay, second one here, and make it large little bit. Okay, so it looks cool. And this third Utah one, I don't think so we need this. You can select this also. This is a cool stuff, yeah. So as you see, I put some images and all the stuff. Now we're gonna select this shape tool, increase the square size, go to the essential graphic panel, change the color from silver or gray to black, then just press this graphic panel, select this only, this much only, and yeah, I'm just have to scale a little bit, 105. Okay, so now I'm just gonna press invert, so you can see this, okay, this is looking like this. But now if you see this, you might be thinking that, bro, this is not looking like a cool stuff. So the thing is, you just have to change the feather like this. So now it will look like highlighting the parts which you want to in this video. So we can create this cool if you are editing the documentary videos, if you are editing criminal videos, or if you are editing faceless videos also in any niche, and you can create this cool thing. That how? So okay, so for animating this, I'm just gonna drag this. Okay, mask path. Okay, selecting this mask, 1 2 3 4 5 6. You have to leave the frames as per your choice as you want. Okay, so you just have to animate it slightly so it looks like, okay, it's, like little bit moving. And don't move it like, okay, this don't move it like, don't move it in big directions. Keep it little bit small, keep it little bit cool. No. Okay, so now you can see that if I play this video, so you can see this. Okay, this is now little bit moving around and around. What you're gonna do is just, we're going to add one keyframe from the same position, go to 3 or 4 frames forward, and then just move to this my stuff. Now we're gonna not do the alt and just copy paste the thing, because the position of that keyframes are regarding to that particular png. So we're not gonna do this. Okay, so now it's moving like, so you can see now you just have to do the same thing, you just have to animate it a little bit. I'm gonna do this something like this. It might look like this, and your result will be boosted up. So you can see that how you can create this cool stuff with using mask tool. Okay guys, I'm ending this video right here, and if you have any doubt, make sure to drop down your comment. I hope I will reply you as soon as possible as I can, and in the description box there are social handles links, so if you want to support me, you can go and check it out, my social handles also. I upload some cool stuff there. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and keep hustling.